Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. Wishing our viewers a very happy SAIL Foundation Day. In the headlines today, SAIL Gaurav Divas celebrated at Rourkela Steel Plant with pomp and gaiety. And 79 employees of Rourkela Steel Plant receive Nehru Vishita Karmachari Puraskar. Now, the news in detail. SAIL Gaurav Divas was celebrated by Rourkela Steel Plant at Ispat Stadium on 24th January with pomp and gaiety. Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO RSP, unfurled the SAIL flag to mark the occasion. It was followed by rendering of SAIL anthem. The CEO released colorful balloons to the sky as a part of the celebrations and administered the health and fitness pledge. He, along with Mr. Rajveer Singh, ED-PNA, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Projects with the additional charge of ED Works, Mr. C.R. Mahapatra, CGM in charge, MM and Marketing, Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM, FNA, Mr. B.K. Hota, CMO, MNHS, and other senior officers walked around the stadium to promote the idea of physical fitness. It is worth mentioning here that SAIL Foundation Day is being celebrated all across SAIL as SAIL Gaurav Divas to rekindle the sense of pride amongst the employees, ex-employees as well as their family members. Extending heartiest greetings of SAIL Foundation Day to each member of the SAIL family, the CEO said, SAIL is serving the nation for the last 62 years by supplying steel for the progress and security of the nation. At the same time, it has brought in all-around progress and inclusive growth around all its steel plants situated across the country. The company in its illustrious journey has touched lives of millions in myriad way. It is very pertinent that we are celebrating the SAIL Foundation Day as the SAIL Gaurav Divas this year. He also exhorted the RSP collective to further strengthen the safety, environment and quality and energy endeavors, appealing the RSP collective for facing and surmounting the massive challenges passed by COVID-19 to scale new peaks of excellence. Mr. Chatraj said, the grit, undeterred efforts and sheer perseverance with which we braved COVID-19 will go down as one of the most successful chapters in the history of the company. The CEO also thanked all the stakeholders for extending support to the steel plant in all its endeavors. The Nehru Vishita Karmachari Puraskar for the year 2019 was presented to 79 employees on the occasion. The CEO presented cash award, citation and mementos to the distinguished employees as a part of the coveted award. He also presented the Shrujani Awards to individual employees and departments as well as the Sports Award. The CEO also initiated distribution of mementos to the employees in recognition of their excellent performance in spite of COVID-19 pandemic. Mr. Anil Malik, Senior Technician CRM, coordinated the program. In a function held at Ispat Stadium on 24th January to mark the SAIL Foundation Day, Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO, RSP, presented the coveted Nehru Vishita Karmachari Puraskar to 79 employees for the year 2019. Present on the occasion were Mr. Rajveer Singh, ED-PNA, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Projects with additional charge of ED Works, and several senior officers were present on the occasion. It is worth mentioning here that under the guidance of CEO RSP, the award amount of the Nehru Vishita Karmachari Puraskar has been doubled from this year. Hence, each of the winners were presented with a certificate and an award of rupees 10,000. The employees were awarded for their exemplary contributions towards improving the performance of the plant with their commitment, dedication, and ingenuity. That's all for the news today. Namaskar.